How to get back hidden apps to your iPhone home screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get back hidden apps back to your home screen on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people who do not know how to hide apps, this is how you do it. So let us hide this Netflix. To do that, long press on the Netflix app, tap on remove app and then remove it from your home screen. Now if you search for it, you will not find your Netflix anywhere on your home screen. Now if you want to find your Netflix or access it, what you'll have to do is you'll simply need to search for it. After you search for it, you'll get the Netflix app and then you can tap on it to open it up. But you still won't find it on your home screen. Now if you want to get it back, this is how you do it. Search for your Netflix on the search bar, long press on it, and then you will see add to home screen. Tap on add to home screen and it will just get back to the home screen like before. And that is how you get back hidden apps to your iPhone home screen. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.